What's good, YouTube? Hopefully y'all can hear me, but as you can see, man, this is my new car, baby. Let's go. My car, baby, but you know what I mean. Hey, shit, this is my new car, man. Excuse my French, but yeah. Dodge Challenger Scat Pack 2015. Just got it. Got 37,000 miles on it, 232. Shoot, other than that, man, this is mine, bro. Shoot, I'm bringing new content to the channel, bro. I made my decision. Hey, I love it, bro. That's all I can say right now. But yeah, this is the first POV with this car. Not gonna do too much talking after that. Not gonna go too crazy either, man. You know, getting used to the car. Probably not trying to waste too much gas either, because I'm actually going, we're going to Chicago in the morning. I will be getting my kill switch installed onto my Scat Pack. So, but other than that though, this is my baby, man. I'm very happy, very excited, bro. For those people that also own the Genesis 4.6 or 5.0, man, Genesis will always be in my heart, bro. I love the car. I had it for almost the entire year. It would have been a year, next week would have been made it a year with my Genesis, but you know, we just didn't make it quite there. Shit, ended up getting the Scat Pack, man, so you already know. Had to, bro. And this is normal mode, not sport mode, you know, just some chill shit. Everybody in a rush tonight, man. It's a Friday night. Trying not to go too crazy yet. Hey, always, you know, always get used to a car first before you start trying to, you know, cut up and stuff like that. pull. This is the stock exhaust, by the way, too, if I didn't mention. This car is completely stock, man. This bitch goes, man. This bitch goes. No bad. And once again, this is not with sport mode. I am in normal mode, by the way, if you guys can hear me. Normal mode, car is completely stock. Not going too crazy, just taking it easy with it, man. Enjoying the car for what it is, man. Just trying to take it all in. We'll do a little bit on the tunnel. This normal mode, active exhaust, all stock. And as you can see, man, the stock exhaust on the Scat Pack, bro, that shit is disgusting, bro. Oh my goodness. And then in sport mode, this thing turns it up a notch. This thing is a monster, bro. No cap. No cap. No cap. I appreciate you guys for watching, man. Hopefully you guys can hear me well. I'm just raising the windows because I'm gonna end the video anyway, so I don't have to worry about the GoPro overheating. But I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and just know more Scat Pack videos coming, bro. Hey, we turning it up, bro. That's all I gotta say, man. Hey, new content, new car. Let's go.